Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn and class 9 English chapter a question of space question and answers. This is part 1 of this question and answer session. So let's start and read it out. But before that students, if you're viewing my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. Do watch the video till end, and if you like it, hit the like button and also share with your friends and do go to the description box because I've provided with the links of the important books for you all. Like you have different subjects: English, Maths, Science, Kannada, Sanskrit, and whose question banks and topic and chapter wise important questions, model question papers, all are there provided in the link. So do visit the description box. Along with that, you have some stationeries and accessories available. So check the link for yourself. So let's move ahead and discuss the question and answers of this chapter. We have C1 comprehension. Under that, we have to read the lesson silently, and the sequence of events in the lesson has been given below in a jumbled order. Rearrange them and complete the chart given below. So here you can see 8 sentences which are jumbled. They are not in a series as it happened in the chapter. Okay, so you have to read this, refer paragraph 1 to 25, and you have to rearrange it in the proper order, in the order of its happening. So let's go to the answer directly. Okay, so here you are having answers. The first sentence which comes here will be: the conflict had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj. Then next, Anuj had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. Then his class grades had dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions. Next, Anuj had started journalism on his own and took up photography later. Then, it seems to me that the pressure is worse for children of doctors. It will help you witness your reactions as if they were happening to someone else. If you still have not found out, when do you intend to enroll? He felt he needed time to pursue his own interests and pleasures, especially after he met Anuj. Okay, so these are the sentences which are arranged in the order of happening or order of mentioned in the chapter. So this is how you have to rearrange your sentences according to the lesson. Now let's move ahead to the next question, C2. Here you have an extract in the second column which tells us about the persons mentioned in the first column. Now write your response in the third column. The first one has been done for you and you have to discuss the responses. So first person given here is Vikrant, and from the story the extract is: I am already fed up, full up with tuitions. Okay, I'm ready full up with tuitions. This is an extract of Vikrant from that story. So what this tells us about them, you have to write it in the third column. So it's like he is finding it difficult to cope with the pressure of his studies. Okay, so this exactly means this. So in a similar manner, the next one is Vikrant's father. This is a person. An extract from the story is: it would be better if you turned your attention to investigating a coaching center rather than spend time with junkies and irrelevant things. Okay, so this is an extract from the story of what Vikrant's father had said. But what exactly this tells about them, he meant. So the answer is: the father feels that spending time with Anuj is of no use and is a waste of time. Okay. Next person is Vikrant's mother. An extract from the story is: mother was harping on the importance of the year for getting good grip on science and maths. And what this tells us about them? The mother is worried that Vikrant should not fail to get an admission into a prestigious medical college. Okay. Then the next person is Anuj. Extract from the story is: if you want to get control over a situation, you could start by observing your body's reaction. The answer is: he advises how self observation leads to self improvement and change in attitude. Okay, so this is how you have to write the third column. I hope I made it clear. Let's move on to the next main, C3. You have to read the lesson and write the answers given below. So first question here is Vikrant's mother was harping on the importance of the year. What was she anxious about Vikrant? Answer. Vikrant's mother was anxious that Vikrant was not spending enough time preparing for the medical entrance exams. She felt that class 11 was an important year for getting a good grip on science and math, and for viewing that year as foundation year for class 12, for using that period as a practice year for the 12th board exams and medical entrance exams. Okay, so that is why Vikrant's mother was behind him. Next question. Anuj had spun into Vikrant's life like a new universe. Why did Vikrant feel so? Who was Anuj? So answer. Anuj had spun into Vikrant's life like a new universe on the jogging track. Anuj was a photojournalist who had dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human being and all other living species, on self-improvement as a part of human evolution on the cosmos. Okay. Next question. The identity of Vikrant with Anuj created tension between Vikrant and his parents. How did it happen? Answer. For Vikrant's parents, photography was a frivolous profession and did not hold the same prestige as medicine. Therefore, they felt that Vikrant was wasting his time with Anuj, who was, according to them, a junkie, and that Vikrant was losing his concentration over serious study. Okay. Next question. Vikrant said, medicine is considered gives prestige. Is this thought prejudiced? Do you agree with this opinion? Answer. The thought is indeed prejudicial. No profession is to be considered superior nor inferior. Every profession is necessary for the society to grow. Every profession has its specific value and advantage. As long as one discharges one's duty diligently, one need not feel ashamed of one's profession. Okay, moving on to next one. What was the reply of Anuj when Vikrant asked him how his suggestions would help him? Answer. Anuj said that it will help him witness his reactions as if they were happening to someone else. By observing his body and its reactions, he can also distance himself from them, and this distance will help him see and control his reactions. Next, when did Vikrant start his self observation? What did he observe? I have to refer 23 to 25 paragraph. Okay, answer. So when Vikrant's father started commenting on Vikrant's wasteful spending of time with Anuj, whom he considered as a junkie, his father's remark sent a strong wave of heat through his body, making him leave the room without another word. Next. How did Vikrant's father try to convince him to join tuitions for medical entrance? Answer. Vikrant's father said that tuitions for medical entrances were not mere tuitions. They were special coaching classes which coached students for that highly competitive exam, as one wrong answer could make all the difference. Next question. What are the last two steps of self observation suggested by Anuj to Vikrant? Answer. Anuj said that the moment an active feeling came which had to be controlled, he had to make note of it but not express it. Then, the next and the last step was to express an emotion opposite to what he felt. For example, if he felt agitated, he had to express it calmly. Next, moving to ninth one. He did this with awareness that it was the right thing for him to do. What does awareness refer to here? Answer. The word awareness here refers to his complete acceptance of preparing seriously for the medical entrance tests. He did this preparation without any resentment or despair. He did this because he wanted to do. Next, 10th question. The word space in the title of the lesson has a significant reference. Comment on the title. Answer. The word space in the lesson does not refer to the external space, but to our mind. It means that we have to create a distance or a space between us and an emotion. Only then can we observe the emotion impartially and find a solution for it. Space between us and our emotion gives us clarity of thought. Okay, so here we come to an end with the first main, that is third main of the question and answers of this chapter, and the next part will continue it in the next video. I hope this video was informative and useful for you all. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share with your friends, and do not forget to visit the description box for the links. So we'll be back soon with the next part of this video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you.